Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about geometry. The topic today is about ellipse. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we put about 144 for the both sides. And this one, that is about identities. Next, we divide both sides by 144. The next one, we have the standard form of ellipse. So we have x minus h to the power of 2 over a square plus y minus k to the power of 2 over b square equals to number 1. The first one, we need to find the center. The center that is about hk. So compared to this equation, we can see that we don't have h. That means h equal to number 0. K, that is about number 12. And this is the first one. Question number 2, we need to find about foci. So we can see that b is greater than a. So the foci, they will belong to this one. So we have the formula. So b, that is about this one. So we have 144. A square, that is about number 3. And we have c equals to positive and negative, the square root of 141. Now, we need to graph the figure in here. Because b is bigger than 8, so the figure should be like this. Now, the center, we have 0, number 12 in here. So the foci, they should be in here and here. So because they have same the lines s equal to number 0, so the foci, they will have about, in this one we have 0. And now because we need to go from the center go to here, so we have number 12 plus the square root of 141. This is for this location in here. And the foci in here below than the center, we need to minus about this one. The last one, that is about the vertex. To calculate about this one, we know that this location in here and here, they are same the lines s equals to number 0. So we have 0, 0 in here. So this one, that is about b and negative b in here. So this one, we have b square equals to 144. So we put the square root for the both sides. We have positive and negative number 12 because we put the square root of 144. So we have number 12. For this one, we need to add b. That is about 12. And the second one, we need to minus about b. That's about negative 12. So this one, we have 24. And the second one, that's about 0, 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.